First, look at this YouTube channel. It has only 60 uploaded videos, but already has 762K subscribers. Today, we will create videos just like this, and we will also use a new tool that allows you to make AI videos for free. I will show you how to create AI videos, AI voices, AI images, everything for free. Many people want to make videos like this channel, but the question is this channel monetized or not? Yes, this channel is monetized. Now I will open YouTube Social Blade and paste the channel name. As you can see, the channel is monetized and has earned 4.6K in the last 14 days. You can easily create a channel just like this. A similar channel can be made without any difficulty. In this video, I will teach you the complete course on how to create AI videos for free, including AI voice, AI images, and everything you need. Before we start the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and definitely like the video. Let's get started. First, open the channel where you want to create the video. After that, use the Windows snipping tool to crop the image, or crop your own image and place it into one single picture. If it helps you, I will provide all the prompts in my YouTube description. You just have to copy and paste them. Now let's continue creating this. First, open ChatGPT, then upload the image. After uploading the image, you just need to write this. I want to create a story about this exact type of character. Please create the same kind of character for me and give me a short story. Also, give me 8 image prompts and make sure the character stays the same in each prompt. When you paste it, ChatGPT will generate both the AI image prompt and the story for you. You just have to copy and paste it. ChatGPT creates a very good story and also provides 8 image prompts. If you want a longer story, you can ask for it. If you want more prompts, you can get those too. In my opinion, ChatGPT is the best option for creating AI stories and AI images. For creating AI images, we will use Leonardo.ai. It is a very good tool for generating images. But before that, there is one more thing. To create AI videos directly, we can use a tool called grok.com. This is also a very good tool and you can use it as well. Now I will explain how to use it to create AI videos. First, we will create the AI images. Leonardo.ai is a very good website for generating AI images. Open it, set the size to 9.16 and select Phoenix 1.0. Then I will paste the prompt like this, and after a few seconds, the image will start generating. In the same way, you have to paste each prompt one by one. After you paste all your prompts, you will see that all the images have been generated. But there is one problem. I want the background to be white, just like that YouTube channel made it. For that, I will simply write this. Please add background white in all 8 image prompts. Then ChatGPT will generate the prompts for you and the background will automatically become white. Next, we will continue creating the AI images. Just copy and paste the prompts and the images will be generated. You can see how amazing the images look. This is how you can create AI images on this website. I will copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here one by one, as you can see. From Leonardo.ai, you can download whichever image you like. Leonardo.ai is an advanced AI image generation platform that allows users to create stunning, high-quality visuals from simple text prompts. Now that the AI image is ready, next, we will create the AI voice. There is a free tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. It is one of the best tools for generating AI voices, and you can use it for free. On Unlimited AI Tools, you can also create free AI images, but here I will show you how to generate the voice. If you can't find the tool, just comment and I will give you the link. You can create AI voice for free because it gives daily free credits. Now I have opened the AI text-to-speech generator. I will copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then I will select any voice. There are many voices available. Blaze Alex is the best voice, but just for explaining, I'll select any voice. Click on Generate and remember, it can generate up to 1,000 words at one time. If your script is longer than 1,000 words, you can divide it into 4 parts to create the complete voice. Now the voice has been generated. You can hear it. In
Tiny fire spirit with bright blazing hair and a warm glowing body, loved exploring
this
the
way,
world
the
beyond their
AI
desert
voice is
home.
ready. Now we will create the AI video. Now we will create the AI video. Today, I will use a new website for AI videos, which is also free. Its name is Grok.com is an amazing and powerful AI website that makes creating content incredibly easy. You just paste your prompt and it instantly generates high-quality videos for you. Let's open this website. Once you open it, there will be an option called Imagine. Click on it. Next, there is an option for video. Click on that and upload your prompt. You will see that the AI video is now being created. Look how good it is. This is how I upload a prompt and click on AI Send, and the AI video gets generated. From here, you can also download the video. There are many styles available on this website, so you can create AI videos in different ways. Next, we will create an AI video on another website. The next website is called Digin.ai. I use it a lot because it is an amazing website. It gives you 300 credits initially, which allows you to create 10 videos. After that, it provides daily credits so you can continue making AI videos easily. Right now, as you can see, I have over 4,800 credits because I have been logged in on this account for many days. This allows me to create many videos since I have accumulated a lot of credits. If you want to make more AI videos, Digin.ai is a very good website. The benefit is that even if you don't use it every day, it will automatically give you daily credits, just like in my account. Now we will create an AI video on this website. It is a very good website. Click on Create, then go to Upload. First, upload the first image, then paste the first prompt and click on Generate. The video will start being created. In the same way, upload the second image and paste the second prompt, and the video will start generating. It will take a little time, and in this way, you can create 2 separate videos. You can start creating videos that are 10 to 15 minutes long. For the last video editing, I will use CapCut. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I will edit my video, add effects, and finalize it. Now my video is ready, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions about the video, message me in the comments, and I will answer. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will share another method. Thanks for watching.